Hello friends, my name is Arjun and today I will make a ping pong game. So here is a cat sprite, but we won't take this. Delete. Choose a sprite and take sprite name ball. Now take one flag, click, go to motions and then take point in direction 4 5. Now go to control, take forever block and just put move 10 steps, but don't make it 10, make it 15 and now take if on edge bounce. Now take a backdrop and now go to here space and take the neon tunnel like this. Nice. Now take another sprite right here, pedal like this, pedal, and now put it here. Now paddle's code will be when flag clicked forever motion set X to mouse X like this. Now let's see when flag clicked where my mouse is going, the pedal is going, but only right or left, not up or down. Now go to ball again and take another when flag clicked, take a forever and if then. Now put touching pedal, turn and add turn 180 degrees, 80 degrees, take the move 15 step and now put it here and go to control, put wait 1 second, but not wait 1 second, 0.5 seconds. Let's see how it works. It is perfect. Now just to add a little difficulty. Now add another sprite right here, line, and take the line and put it right here. And if you don't want that your line is going here or here, because one time I made this and the line was like zip, so just do this if you don't want to have that problem. Just go to costumes here and here will be the line, here will be this button, click on this on a lot of times and then this will happen. Just click on it, the line, and then zap. Just there will be, when your mouse pointer will be like this, just hold and like that. Now this problem is solved. Go to again code. Now to add the difficulty by using only this line, we will do this. Go to events, when flag clicked, go to control, take forever, then take if then. Now go to sensing and take touching ball and put a stopper block. So now let's see how it is. How's it? On. Da, 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 da. And now to just and also when it touched the red line, it stopped. Let's again try. Again, if I click it, stop, click, like that. Again, click that and it goes normal. So I click again. Like this. Now, now I'll make this game a little more fun. Let me show you how. Just go to variables and then click on make a variable and make score. Then leave it for all sprites and click OK. Now here will be a score. Now just take another events block, put it here, go to variables again and put here set score to 0 and change score when touching pedal. So now let's see. Oh, I lost that in the first time. Oh, it's tricky. My goal is to take it to score 10. Halfway there. Oh, almost 8. It was 8. Almost. It's so fun to play. Whoa. Nice. 10! Yes! And then everything stop all and then my score is 0 now again. So don't forget to see our second channel, Bab Beta Vibes, which is coming soon. If you like this video, don't forget to like, share with your friends, and subscribe to the channel. Thank you. Bye bye. See you next time.